Hello guys, and welcome back to another one of our videos where we will talk about laser beam welding low vacuum purge chamber. Alright, so really quick, we are Senatron and we are an engineering excellence company located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We've been in business since 2008. We're experts in vacuum science and technology, custom fabrication, and robustly designed and quality engineered systems. And of course, we develop, design, and manufacture vacuum chambers and vacuum systems, and we also make vacuum purge chambers. And everything that we make is envisioned, designed, and made in the USA. So before I forget, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can continue receiving awesome videos from us on the subject of vacuum and vacuum technology. Alright, so the design requirements for this particular project were that this was not really a vacuum chamber per se, but more like a vacuum purge unit. So one of our clients, they purchased a CNC laser beam welding unit, and it was a small laser beam welding unit, and they wanted to purge the surrounding air around the CNC laser beam welding unit with an inert gas, and kind of remove the oxygen, and then purge it with like an inert gas, like I'd probably say helium or argon or whatnot. I'm not really sure what gas they used, but what they wanted to do is they wanted to prevent oxidation from the heat source due to the laser welder. And so what they wanted to do is they wanted to encase the whole CNC unit inside the chamber, and their vacuum requirements were only about -3 psi, so it wasn't that much. It was about 20% of actual vacuum, of full vacuum. And so what they wanted to do is they asked us to give them this purge unit or this purge chamber, and we included a vacuum valve, a venting valve, and then we also included a double redundant vacuum safety relief valve. And also we provided a metallic plate onto which they placed their laser welding unit, and that was about 4 by 4 feet, and the chamber was about, I would say, about 3 by 3 by 3 feet, approximately. This was an older project. We did this several years ago, so my memory on this project is a little bit limited, but I do know that we came up with this unit, and as you can see, we have two double redundant vacuum relief valves, a vacuum valve and a venting valve, and then some clamps on the bottom with a plate, and essentially the O-ring was on the in the plate. And what they would do is they would lift it. There's some lifting holes here, and they would come in and then lift this whole unit, and then do whatever they needed to do on their laser with the laser beam welder, and then they would lower this unit. And then there's also right here, it's kind of hard to see, but it's essentially a gas port where they would connect the purging gas and then purge this chamber. And as you can see, it's about 4 by 4 feet. It's kind of standing on a pallet jack, and we have these ribs to kind of provide additional support, additional strength to the chamber. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, or contact us at senatron.com. Our email as well as our phone number is posted on our website. All right, thank you very much, and you guys have a wonderful day.